Today we talked about the camera. In the sequencer, we have this camera. And here, you can choose any cameras you want. And the focus length and the apertures, all of the values you can change it. And here, I want to change the focus length. And you see the camera's view is changed, but you need to make sure your values in the 4 to 1000 millimeters. And here I want to change the aperture, and you can see our scene view bright or dark. And I think you don't need to remember what this is, you just want to try it. And here is the prime length, and I select one of them. And here also you change the value. If you want to change the focus length, you can see nothing happened because our prime length only 12 millimeters. Yeah, but you can change it. And here if I change the aperture, and the aperture's value is brighter than before, but the mean aperture is 1.2. So the next I want to talk about the zoom length, 24 to 70 zoom length. Here you also can change this focus length, and now I select 85 prime millimeter, and here I want to change the aperture, maybe 1.2. And now I change the aperture, and the aperture's value is smaller, and the scenes will be brighter. And also you can see our scenes, the lens blur is blurred than before. And if you want exposure the same before, you need to change this. And I think you don't need to remember what this is. You just try it and test it. And here I want to talk about the focus plan. You select it, and sometimes it didn't work, and you use this distance. It's a good way to select the points. Yes, I think it's better now. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.